Welcome again. Got another one of the boxes. I think I might know what's in it. It says one, well, right there it said one cap. Yeah, a few things to say again. I have my notes. The boxes come from Retro Game Treasure, just like always. It's an unboxing. As I said last time, 1 month is for the subscriptions. It's $35 for 1 month, 3 months $101, then there's 6 months and 12 months. I'll put my referral code in the bottom of the description somewhere. I picked PSOne games and Game Boy Advance games. Also, I guess accessories. That might be what this thing is. If you want to join it, just know that there's no PS4 games, PS5 games, Xbox One or newer, 2DS, 3DS and more, the newer ones, the WiiU and Switch and also newer ones, they don't have those. But they do have the later games like GameCube, PS1, 2, 3. Oh, yes, and if you want to vote for the next game in October that I'll be playing live, I'll put a link to that too. It's one of the 3 scary games from the same company as Until Dawn. Dark Pictures, that's what they're called. Oh, I also wanted to add, because I've seen some people comment, so just wanted to say that there was a problem with the YouTube comments. They go hidden, so I'm trying to find how to fix that. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know I'm not really ignoring you. Tried to comment, but it won't allow it. So yeah, hopefully I can fix that. Now I'll get to opening. The paper thing again. Oh, what? Thought it was a hat. NBA, that's basketball. Yeah. Not really a huge fan of basketball, but I'll give it a try. Oh, nice. Final Fantasy. I've been wanting to give it a try. Never tried the originals. Tried more of the newer ones. And oh! Nice. Those are just the bubble thing. And a game. Oh, nice. I don't know if you could see that. You can see it. If you can't, I'll read it. It's Namco Museum. It's like the PlayStation version, but Game Boy. Remember the PlayStation version, you walk into a museum, there's the games all over the place. Then there's the thing I remember from the PS1 is the movie theater. You go into a theater and there's like a whole bunch of like Pac-Man characters. Yeah. NBA was confusing, but football was more confusing, I find. It's like this one's almost like hockey. Easier to understand, but yeah. Basketball. Basketball, Final Fantasy, and Namco Museum. Yeah, I opened the case. That was crazy. There's 4 Here, wait. There's two. Oh, my hand's on it. That makes sense. And 4. Crazy. This 1, 2. Wonder why there's 4 though. I don't know. Crazy. And then you get the little booklet, which you don't get anymore in any of the PlayStation 4, 5, 3. I think you get them once in a blue moon though. All the characters. And where's that other one? NBA. That's even if they have it in here. Oh, they do. If I could get it out. There we go. Oh, another one. I don't know if you could even see that. Just a list of things that you could put your name and stuff, your address, everything. Should be fun. Not really a huge basketball player fan or much sport fan. Ones I would play though is the other ones, what do you call those? Golf, racing. What's the other one? The fishing. I'm doing pretty good on that one. Just having a problem with saving, so I had to like fix some things. But I'll be recording it soon. Yeah. Oh my. Put it backwards. I wish they still made the CDs look like that. Not CDs, but like the little booklets inside them. Thought I'd show that as well. Don't want it to break, but it doesn't come out. There we go. That is awesome. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ding the bell if you enjoyed it, and you'll be notified for more videos to come out. Wonder if it says the same thing. Yeah. There. And then there's that. Wait, is it upside down? No. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that. Because it said cap right here. It said 1 cap. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Oh, and thanks for playing. See ya. Hope you enjoyed it.